In efforts to balance an unbalanced relationship, I hope to answer some questions you may have. Question: how do I forgive whatever grievances I have towards someone who drains me emotionally? Answer: bear with each other and forgive one another. If any of you has a grievance against someone, forgive as the Lord forgave you. Referenced in Colossians chapter 3, verse 13. Let me remind you of something. God wants you to depend on Him, to totally rely on Him, not on people or things or self-effort. It says in Psalm chapter 73, verse 26, "My flesh and my heart may fail, but God is the strength of my heart and my portion forever." He wants you to believe that He will meet all of your needs, that you can safely reveal your hurts, your fears, your needs to God, believing that He will be your need meter. It says in Isaiah chapter 58, verse 11, "The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail." He wants you to trust in Him to take care of your loved ones. Read from Psalm chapter 62, verse 8. Trust in Him at all times. You people, pour out your hearts to Him, for God is our refuge. Lastly, He wants you to rely on Christ, whose life in you will enable you to overcome any destructive dependencies you may have. From 1 John chapter 4, verse 4, it says, "The one Christ who is in you is greater than the one Satan who is in the world." Thank you.